Good day and welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about my powder coating system that I got from Harbor Freight. It's a $70 set, single voltage, doesn't come with a good pressure regulator, so I went and pulled one off my paint gun. I already made one video with it without a good pressure regulator on there. The stuff turned out okay. It wasn't too bad. So let's go over the system and we'll look at it and see everything again in case you missed the last video. So let me get this camera turned around. So here's the control box. It's not plugged in yet, but there's the power on and off. The power light comes on. The spray light comes on when you hit the pedal. This is your power wire. This is your foot control wire, and this is your ground wire. Okay? And when you hit the pedal, it electrifies this wire that goes to here, and then goes up and into the gun, and then electrifies the powder. And then with it being grounded, it attracts it to the metal you're spraying. So here's my dirty pressure regulator off one of my older paint guns. I was testing this before I started the video, so I know it works. I haven't sprayed any powder with it yet, but that will be coming. The powder goes here, air comes in here, powder goes out here, and then sprays out the end of the gun. So, in short, that is the powder coating system that I got from Harbor Freight. It is a Central Machinery. It's 120 volt. And it can take up to 30 psi max. Now, I wouldn't ever run that. I'm going to try around 10 psi and see how that sprays. But here, I'm going to grab the ground connector. Oh, it's over here. So here's the ground connector. You just hook it to your tray, right? Here's the foot control. Once you press that, it electrifies the gun. And then you spray. That's what I will be spraying. That will be in the next video. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Everybody that subscribes and watches the videos, it is a big help in growing this channel, so eventually I can do more things and do cooler things, you know. So please stay tuned and see what comes in the future.